Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, saya Fatliatul Gina, SPD, MPD. Saya adalah salah satu dosen tetap yang mengajar pada Sekolah Tinggi Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan An-Nur Nanggro Aceh Darussalam. Saat ini, saya adalah dosen tetap di program studi Bahasa Inggris, mulai mengajar sejak tahun 2016 hingga sekarang. Adapun pembuatan video singkat ini untuk melengkapi salah satu syarat untuk mengikuti sertifikasi pada tahun 2025, yaitu pernyataan diri dosen dalam unjuk Tridharma Perguruan Tinggi atau PDD UKT PT pada unsur pengajaran. Mata kuliah yang saya ampu salah satunya adalah mata kuliah Speaking for Social Intercultural Communication dengan kode mata kuliah MK ENG 2407, di mana mata kuliah ini merupakan salah satu mata kuliah wajib pada semester 2 yang berbobot 4 SKS. Mata kuliah ini fokus pada pemahaman konsep antara budaya dan komunikasi. Mata kuliah ini memberikan kesempatan kepada mahasiswa untuk mengembangkan kesadaran pada pola persepsi intercultural communication dan daya pikir dalam memahami efektivitas untuk berkomunikasi dalam berbagai teks budaya. Topik yang dibahas meliputi Introduction to Cultural Communication, Belief, and Race and Ethnicity. Capaian pembelajaran pada mata kuliah ini, mahasiswa mampu memahami intercultural communication, mampu membandingkan belief, values, and race and ethnicity, and mampu menerapkan kemampuan berkomunikasi sesuai kaidah kebahasaan. Metode dan strategi yang saya lakukan dalam proses pembelajaran sangat bervariatif. Salah satunya adalah metode DYA, Delivery, Interaction, and Assessment. Delivery yaitu penyampaian materi dengan lugas dan biasanya menggunakan PPT untuk menarik perhatian mahasiswa. Interaction yaitu hubungan timbal balik antara dosen dan mahasiswa dalam proses pembelajaran dan diharapkan mahasiswa aktif dan responsif serta bisa menciptakan suasana kelas lebih bermakna. Sedangkan assessment yaitu penilaian yang saya lakukan baik dalam bentuk formatif maupun sumatif. Ada 5 kategori penilaian dalam mata kuliah speaking yang saya ampu tersebut. Yang pertama vocabulary, fluency, hesitation, coherent, dan sentence. Sedangkan bobot penilaian yang saya gunakan berupa kehadiran 10%, presentasi individu 10%, tugas kelompok 10%, kuis 10%, mid test 25%, dan final test 35%. Berikut adalah pembelajaran yang telah berlangsung di kelas. Silahkan menyaksikan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, how are you today? Great, you are fine? I hope you always fine in your life. Baik, for today I want to, the first time I can absent you first. Which one is down here for today?
Asraf and Amar.
Oh, Asraf and Amar. Where is Asraf? Absent? C. Amar? Oh, just don't present, yeah? No reason. Okay, great. Okay, today we can continue to our subject. What is the subject for today? Speaking? Yes, great. This is our first meeting in this semester. Yeah? This is part 1 in culture and communication. We can to know about the part 1. Is it culture and communication? Okay. Do you know about the culture?
Yes.
Okay, can you explain to me about the definition about the culture? Can you explain how is the culture is can differentiate with other, and then what is the culture can make it background between one country to another country? Okay, what do you think? One word about the culture. One word about the culture.
Maybe one sentence.
Okay, one sentence is okay. What is it?
Culture, in my opinion, is lifestyle in a society.
Okay, stop. Lifestyle and society. How about you? What is the culture? One word about the culture. Do you know about the religion?
Yes.
Religion like Islam, Kristen. What else? What else religion in Indonesia? Buddha. Okay, what else? Hindu, Catholic, and so on. This is culture. Okay, now belief. What else? This is all about that is, you can say, the culture. Okay, so please check it. Okay, please check. This is for objective. You must to know if we can learn about this subject. The first is to explain the concept intercultural communication. You must to know about the concept. What is the culture? What is the communication? What is the people, various people in the world? This is, you must to know the first objective in this subject. Okay, the second is we can learn about how to communicate other people in the world. You can communicate with Arabian person, you can communicate with African person, you can communicate with Japanese person. Do you know Jungkook? Yes, of course, yeah. All of the ladies like Korean, yeah. What do you know about Korean? This is culture. Do you like to watch film? Korean movie? Do you like to watch Luna Maya maybe? This is a culture because Luna come from Indonesia. Do you like to listen music of Michael Jackson maybe? This is the culture from American song. This is, they can explain with the song. Okay, this is next. To understanding various greeting. Greeting? Do you know greeting? Salam. In Chinese, how can you say greeting? Salam. Assalam. Assalamualaikum. In Chinese, how can you say greeting? Gimana ucapin salamnya dalam bahasa Aceh? Assalamualaikum. Apa lagi? Puhaba. Okay, this is the greeting. Okay, introduction. Puhaba in Chinese people. How about in Japanese? Japanese. How can say greeting for the first people? Is it okay? In Korean, you can say annyeonghaseyo. What is your name? Is it right? Okay. Nah, seperti itu dia. Itu sapaan, greeting. Beda greeting dengan sapaan. Greeting ini itu namanya kayak assalamualaikum. For the first meeting, you can say greeting. Atau misalnya hi, atau misalnya annyeonghaseyo. Hi. This is like some of the various greeting in the word. And then introduction, like in Chinese, the first, for example, you can say puhaba. In American, you can say what is your name? Okay, in Korean, how say? Do you know how to say? Siapa puhaba in Korean? Nah, who like to watch film in Korean here? Siapa yang suka nonton film Korea di sini? Enggak ada. We can check list. You can all of like to watch, ya. Okay, and then this, the last is culture. Culture yang tadi we can talk. This is the objective. Next, to connecting friendship between different culture until cooperation is established. Do you want to go abroad? Kamu mau ke luar negeri?
Mau.
Okay, what is the first you can must to learn? Apa yang pertama sekali harus dipelajari? Yes, English or Arabic or now maybe Mandarin, ya. The second language in the world. This is very fatal issues. Maybe, ya, for the next future this is Mandarin. But English is one of international language. So you must speak in English if you can going abroad. Okay, next. Okay, this is the table of the content, definition and so on. Culture and communication, type of culture, various greeting in the word, kind of communication, and so on. Okay, next. Okay, this is, please check it about the picture. What is that? Greeting, greet. How about this? What is? How can to say it?
Hola.
Hola. Please say. Hola. It? This is expression hola. Hola. Okay, next. This is
Hello.
hello. Please say hello. Okay, next. What is it in Chinese? What is it? Ciao. Yes, ciao. The same, yeah, with hello, yeah. Okay, next. What else? This is okay. Marhaban. Marhaban ya habibi. Marhaban ya. Okay. How to say in Arabic? Marhaban. Halo, maksudnya dia tuh the same with like hello and hi. Okay, next. Okay, this is like I said to you before. What is the intercultural communication? What is it? Interpersonal communication is exchange the message between among people with diverse culture. Do you come from Arab? Do you come from African? You come from Italian? You come from Bangladesh? So, how can you communicate? How can you communicate? With English, okay? This English, when you communicate each other, this is you can call intercultural communication. Okay? Intercultural communication. One language you can use with different person or different culture. Okay, how can the process? The process of exchanging, you can tell the idea, you can tell about the feeling, you can tell about the different understanding, religion. How many religion in the world? Why do you know? Kalian tahu nggak how many religion in the world? Ada berapa? 5? In Indonesia 5. How about in another world? Many religion. Nah, so how can you know? Bagaimana cara kamu tahu? With? Yes, because you tell and then you can share with other person. You can share with other culture. Nah, gitu. Itu namanya intercultural communication. Next. Why this is not? Nah, this is why do you must learn? Why do you must learn to culture? The first, to understand people behavior. This is the first behavior of the person is like, for example, in Acehese, how can orang perempuan in Acehese, how can you can explain go around maybe, or how can we communicate with the man? This is about the people behavior, especially in Aceh. How about in USA, United States? Itu bagaimana USA? How about the men? Men and woman relationship, men and woman. Maybe free, yeah? Is it right? So, how about to prevent the misunderstanding? What does it mean? So, I can sit down here like this. My hand, my foot, this is like this. This is very rude for our culture. That's right. Kasar itu. Apa itu perempuan kayak gitu? But in another culture, this is very wow. This is independent woman. Gitu. This is different belief. Nah, ada juga is very funny, ya. You can make do you know ludah? Nah, kamu meludah to their face of the other person. Nah, bagi mereka this is wah, penghormatan. But for us this is kurang ajar, ya. Okay. Next. And then we can continue about this is. So, in our conclusion, what is the communication here? This is in Le Baron said in 2003, communication is vehicle by which meaning are convey identity like reinforce, feeling and express like this. In this communication between you, 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. of the person. Okay, next. Please check list. Nah, two important thing in the intercultural communication is the first is what is culture. The second is communication. Great. What is culture? Here, please check. What is it? The first culture. Working. What else? Okay. What is it? Manner. Do you know manner? What is it manner? How can you can eat food? How can do you telling something? How can you say something from the people and etc. This is manner, okay? And then medical cure. Do you know medical cure? Yes, traditional medicine. For example, if you are so fever, in your mother what to telling you first? Apa yang harus kamu persiapkan kalau in Acehese? Hah? Apa? Buah pala apa yang digosok? Kalau fever, what is it? Kalau lagi demam, apa yang dikasih sama ibumu? Minyak kayu putih. Selain itu, traditional cure, kira-kira apa? Buah pala. Is it right? For fever, buah pala buat apa? buat bengkak biasanya ya. Nah, yang seperti itu, this is the name is medical cure. And then religion. I think you understand ya, like Islam, Kristen, and etc. Child reason method. This is rearing, like for example, some of the person, maybe you have a children. Please you can, anaknya boleh lari-lari. Nah, bagi dia, anak dia, don't go anywhere. Hati-hati, pure. Nah, nggak boleh ke sana. Aduh. Nah, this is every person has different child rearing. Jadi pengasuhan itu berbeda setiap orang. Ada yang membebaskan, ada yang mengatur, ada yang otoriter, dan ada yang melarang ini itu. Okay, next, joke. What is the joke? Ya, candaan. Candaan setiap orang berbeda. Ya. Okay, next, celebration. Nah, this is, I think all of you can understand about it. What is celebration? Contoh. Ya, hari raya. What else? Celebration. Maulid, happy birthday. What else? Idul Adha. What else? Hari Kartini dan lain-lain ya. And then folk art. Ini kayak dongeng, maling kundang. Kalau ini Sumatera. Kalau in Aceh Ramanyang. Apa? Ahmad Ramanyang ya. What else? Nah, seperti itu legenda ya. Atau hikayah perang Sabi in Aceh ini is very famous about that. Next, working schedule. This is a culture too. Next. Nah, this is, you can make a conclusion about the culture. In here, can you can give the example about the culture? What is the culture? Ayo, want to try to give the example. What is the culture?
Example of the culture, like different food. And then like how someone speaks.
Okay.
And like
Traditional, okay, great. This is, nah, please checklist. Custom, tradition, social structure. This is the conclusion of the culture. Okay, next. Nah, this is type of the culture. What do you know about the type of the culture? The first is religion. Apa itu religion? Origin story. Do you have the story? In Islam, we know about the Adam. Turun ke bumi dan lain-lain sebagainya. In Kristen, do you know Yesus? In Buddha, do you know Siddhartha Gautama? Ya, I don't know. Okay, next. Like this ya, moral. In religion, you find moral code. Moral, what must you be learn? Apa yang dilarang? Apa yang diperintahkan? Okay? And then govern. Itu masuk ke ruler, power, laws. In Aceh ini, who is the gubernur? Muzakir Manaf. So, what is the law in Syariat Islam ya? Maybe in Aceh Syariat Islam, this is law. Economic. Apa itu economic? Ya, masuknya currency. Tahu currency? Apa itu currency, Jihan? Kalian tahu currency apa? Currency itu kayak mata uang, dolar, rupiah, and so on. And then technology. Apa ini kira-kira? Teknologi. Culture juga. Masuk ke mana dia? Teknologi. Okay, we can continue our presentation today. Any question? Any question? All of you? Okay, you? What is your question?
What are the factors of different culture?
Oh, what is the factor of different culture? The first is, do you have, I think it's very clear ya, my explanation about that. The first factor is that you are so various country, various people, and then various religion, various place. Different place is different culture. This is, okay. And the next, various area. Okay, this is to make the culture is so very different. Okay, next. Any question again? Okay.
How do we deal with that cultural difference?
Oh, deal. This is, you can change it. The first time is maybe a place has history, and then they can combine about other people go around there, and then mix with them. And this is go to another place, so make a community. This is to make a new religion in here, and then a new language, We can give the example in the Papua. Papua New Guinea has a lot of many language, mother tongue. 400 language maybe you can find in this area. Okay? Is it okay? Okay. We can continue again. Now, the second thing after the culture, do you must to know about the communication. Now, communication is like you can telling to someone to other to have to give the message a meaning to identify feeling and to express it. So there is you can find four about the kind of communication. The first verbal. Verbal communication is like conversation. Okay, contohnya conversation, presentation, speech. Nah, itu contoh verbal communication. Jadi communication itu banyak jenisnya. Ada 4 dia. Yang pertama verbal. Jadi secara directly. Kemudian yang kedua non-verbal communication. Contohnya facial expression. What this mean? What does it mean? What does it mean? Sedih? Marah atau kayak mana? Marah. This is angry. This is facial expression. Next, written communication. Itu apa? Write. Like letter, report. Nah, nulis status juga iya ya. Okay, visual communication. Yang keempat, ini contohnya kayak chart. Tahu chart? Grafik. Nah, itu namanya juga visual. Okay, next. Nah, ini contohnya. Miss suruh tebak. Ini apa tadi? Jenisnya? Bukan. Jenisnya verbal, non-verbal. Kalau yang ini? Written. Oke, yang ini?
Emosional.
Ya, non-verbal. Jenisnya? Yang ini? Verbal. Yang ini? Iya, grafik. Itu contohnya. Maksudnya ini masuk ke mana? Chart. Oke. Nah, coba lihat lagi ini. Kemana dia? Chart. Ke visual communication. Oke. Next, yang terakhir. Kalau yang ini? Apa namanya? Ini? Apa tadi? Oke. Chart grafik. Nah, itu namanya juga visual. Oke, next. Nah, ini contohnya. Miss suruh tebak. Ini apa tadi? Jenisnya? Bukan. Jenisnya verbal, non-verbal. Kalau yang ini? Written. Oke, yang ini?
Emosional.
Ya, non-verbal. Jenisnya? Yang ini? Verbal. Yang ini? Iya, grafik. Itu contohnya. Maksudnya ini masuk ke mana? Chart. Oke. Nah, coba lihat lagi ini. Kemana dia? Chart. Ke visual communication. Oke. Next, yang terakhir. Kalau yang ini? Apa namanya? Ini? Apa tadi? Oke. Visual communication. Next. Nah, how can you can communicate? You can using this expression. Hi, hello, how do you do? I'm very well. Yes. Bisa juga pretty good. Thanks. Bisa juga pakai just so. Dia nggak mesti ditanya how are you today? How are you? Nggak mesti jawab I'm fine. Nggak, banyak jawabannya. Fine bisa. Just thanks. Pretty good. Not so bad. Just so. Biasa aja. Not so bad. Ya. Nggak begitu bagus juga. Oke. Nah, dalam introducing person biasanya apa yang dikenalkan? Daily names. Country, ditanya dari mana. Ini ceritanya ketika kita pertama jumpa dengan orang baru. Favorite food, drink, boleh ya. Meal, hobby. Apa hobby? What is your hobby? Okay, no problem. What is your hobby? Dancing. Okay, occupation itu job ya, sama kayak worker dan lain sebagainya. Okay, next. Nah, I want you to practice it. How can you communicate with each other? Who want to try? Okay, come on, please stand up. Rosie, please choose your partner. Come on. Please hurry up. Where is something else? In here. Okay. Here.
Okay, guys, we will practice how to introduce in true culture. Sorry, Carl. Sorry, can I know what's your name?
My name is Zulfa.
Oh, Zula, nice to meet you. My name is Rosie. I'm from Thailand. Where are you from?
I'm from Korea.
Oh, wow, Korea. Yeah, so what is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is matcha.
Oh, matcha. Me too. What's your hobby?
Watching a movie.
It's so enjoyable. Home. Okay, thank you, Zura.
Okay, thank you, Zura and Rosie. Okay, this is the find one example that you can introduce yourself with the another person. Rosie come from Thailand. Zura come from Korean. Okay, until here, do you have question? No. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Great. Nah, because the time until over, we can have you about some assignment. For the next meeting, please. Oh, before that, please choose. Please, you can choose your friend now. What do you like? Do you like the black man? Do you like the dancing woman? Which one do you like? Do you like Indian man? He is so handsome. And then she is a mother from African. And then you can use this item. The question you can ask what is your name and etc. until finish. Okay. After that, we can conclude for today. Anyone can have conclusion for today? Apa itu budaya? I want to ask you again. Apa itu budaya? In Indonesian, okay. Budaya apa? Which one to have conclusion? Ayo. Yeah. Come on.
Conclusion is culture is a set of values, beliefs, norms, custom, symbols, language, and behavior that a group of people share and pass on from generation to generation.
Okay, great. This is the example. Culture has a lot of the aspect in our social life. This is okay. Next, this is you can check the reference in here. Because I using here, you can find our material today in 1, 2, 3 and etc. other research. You can search in the internet if you don't understand about this. So, thank you for today. I can say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Demikian rekaman proses pembelajaran untuk mata kuliah Speaking for Intercultural Communication pada program studi Bahasa Inggris Sekolah Tinggi Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan An-Nur Nanggro Aceh Darussalam. Video ini digunakan sebagai salah satu syarat penyusunan dokumen pernyataan diri dosen dalam unjuk kerja dalam Tridharma Perguruan Tinggi atau PDD UK TPT. Semoga dengan adanya video ini bisa menjadi pertimbangan yang baik dalam proses penilaian sertifikasi gelombang 1 tahun 2025. Akhir kata, saya akhiri dengan ucapan terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.